You want to learn Arduino, but you get confused with these thousands of random videos on internet. Just give me 1 minute. You see this board on your screen? This is called Arduino. An Arduino is a very simple prototyping device that you can connect with your computer just like this and program it. Now this board is very easy to use. Any 10 years old can make connection like this. But how do you program it using your computer? You can connect the Arduino with your computer just like this and send your instructions in the form of programming. The programming language that Arduino uses is very similar to Java and C++, and you don't have to memorize it. You just need to understand it like mathematics, and once you understand it, it all starts making sense, and then you will be able to make projects like these. Now why Arduino? You have heard that future is about AI, and we are looking at the multiple applications of AI in the software form, but we are very far behind in the hardware. And when you combine software with hardware, it is called embedded system engineering, and this is where you start your embedded system journey. And yes, this video is about a course, but wait a minute. I am using Arduino and learning Arduino from past 6 years, and what I am presenting you is a complete, structured and compiled video lecture series that covers each and everything that you need to learn before you start your journey of Arduino. And believe me, this video series is not something you will find on internet. You will get access to all the programs, all the codes that I have used in this course, about all the sensors and modules that we have used. And you can also get in touch with me after completing this course if you have any questions or if you are confused about anything. So that's it for this intro video, and I will see you in the next video where we will start our introduction to Arduino.